Build audiophile speakers for cheap? HiVi-Swans DIY 3.1A kit exposed. Are they worth it? Ever feel stuck with garbage speakers that sound like a tin can concert? Wasting hours scrolling for upgrades, but everything's either overpriced or pure junk? That frustration is real, and let's be honest, you're sick of your music sounding like it's playing from underwater. Worse yet, DIY kits usually promise audiophile magic and deliver headaches instead. If you're overwhelmed by bad reviews, confused specs, and clueless forums, you're not alone. The HiVi-Swans DIY 3.1A kit might look like another overhyped DIY gamble, but is it? Buckle up, because today, we're cutting through the noise. Now imagine that frustration skyrocketing. Deadline's coming, your home theater's still missing real sound. Friends over, your setup sounds weak. Maybe you've wasted cash on hi-fi brands that couldn't deliver. Maybe you've been burned by DIY kits that need a NASA engineer to assemble. Time's running out, and your sanity? That's MIA. Every cheap speaker piles on the regret, every pro brand drains your wallet. You're stuck in audiophile purgatory. But what if there was a kit that didn't suck? That actually worked, even for beginners? Stay with me. Enter the HiVi-Swans DIY 3.1A speaker kit. Forget boring, flat sound. This beast delivers crisp highs, warm mids, and punchy bass, all from components normally locked behind four-figure price tags. Kevlar woofers, ribbon tweeters, customizable finishes, you're building legit audiophile bookshelf speakers without the audiophile price tag. Setup's simple. No overpriced tools. Whether you're running 60 watts or maxing at 120 watts, it delivers. Mod it? Sure, but straight out the box, it rocks. Finally, a DIY kit that feels like a win, not a project from hell. Imagine. No more drooling over expensive brands. Your room, your sound, your vibe. Paint them white, black, pink, whatever. Rock your own masterpiece. Whether for music, movies, or flexing on friends, this kit's the cheat code to killer sound. No more weak lows or muddy mids. Just sharp, clean, room-filling audio. Curious how easy the build actually is? Wondering if your amp can handle it? Spoiler. It can. Hit play and see why audiophiles and newbies alike are falling in love with the 3.1A kit. So, ready to ditch buyer's remorse and finally soundproof your sanity? Supplies are tight, these kits sell out fast. Thousands are already rocking their builds. Don't let indecision kill your sound dreams. Hit that link, grab your HiVi-Swans DIY 3.1A speaker kit today, and join the ranks of audio rebels making their own destiny. Build it, blast it, and brag about it. But move fast, because great sound waits for no one.